Good morning, 11th of December 2019. Piotr here. This is Light Forex Global YouTube channel, and we are going to discuss upcoming FOMC meeting from my perspective. Alright? So, I'm going to talk to you about the dollar yen, and I'm going to talk to you about the Nasdaq. Before we'll jump and discuss FOMC, also I'm going to share with you and update on the cable. So without further delay, let's go straight into the charts. All right, let's start with cable as the megaphone formation is being drawn. So congratulations to all of you guys, as it was the classical short setup at the top of the triangle. Then towards the end of the day, we got some kind of the confirmation that market is getting weaker and weaker, right? And the bottom of that megaphone might be possible target. Right now we are sitting on the mid line, right? I'm watching still pound very carefully. Of course, if you are trading, definitely it's time to, if you didn't, it's time to actively manage your position, moving stop, taking partial profit, whatever, because don't forget, tomorrow is election day, right? So from the chart only perspective, it looks, the cable looks really good to the downside, right? Okay, we discussed that there is a possibility for even bigger stop count. Let me clean a bit. And that's what happened yesterday, but there was another rejection, right? So today, retest of that line, and that's the reminder, right? So today retest and another rejection. We will see, right? That's what bears are looking for. Of course, bulls are looking for still for this type of the flat continuation. So a little bit of the bigger pullback from the bulls perspective, right? Somewhere towards 130, 25, 130. That's what bulls are looking for, right? So that's the cable. That's the update of the cable. Now, my strategy towards today's non-farm payrolls. I'm going to watch just two instruments, right? First, I'm going to watch dollar yen, right? And there is not big changes. Actually, I'm just going to update you about my approach. It's very similar to what we discuss ahead of the non-farm payrolls, right? I want to see some kind of the rally towards, if you remember, we were discussing this, the green one here. We can also make it red dotted. It's a yearly open, all right? Then previous week open, right? And non-farm payrolls high. So I'm going to remove that one. Okay, just 1 second. So either retest of this level or failure around the top of the above the high of the non-farm payrolls, right? So let's switch lower and let's have a look what we have on those particular levels, right? So when it comes to the non-farm payrolls high, all right, what is interesting for me is that high from the 4th of December, as well as that high from the 5th of December, right? So that's my first possible supply when it comes to the FOMC today, right? I'm going to watch this zone, right? So in that case, I'm counting on the stop count of this post non-farm payrolls high, right? If I'm wrong here, then I have to take this whole consolidation, move to the upside, right? So in that case, if I'm wrong and we are going to see much bigger dollar yen move with the break, right? Oops. With the break, I do expect that the size of the original consolidation after the break is gonna be the same, and it is going to bring us where? Well, you guess, between previous week open and yearly open. So dollar yen for today, for me, either looking to sell the failure around the post NFP high, or looking to sell between previous week open and yearly open. And that's what I'm gonna to focus, right? If the visualization I did here is not gonna to work out, I'm gonna skip that trade. Hopefully that's clear, right? And very similar approach to the Nasdaq, right? Very similar approach to the Nasdaq. So that was the latest demand. From here we made this high, right? So that was the break of that possible demand. Now retest of that possible supply. As you can see, a little bit of the rejection going on. All right, so what's my approach? Let's go lower to the 30-minute chart. What I'm gonna to look for, as I mentioned before, this Monday price action might be the crucial one, right? Plus possible over under late Friday price action, pre-market open Monday price action, right? So I do expect that some stops here might be taken out, right? So what I'm looking for on the Nasdaq, only towards the FOMC. If that's going to happen earlier, I'm going to make that trade, but I'm gonna to close that trade ahead of the FOMC, right? So I wanna see the stop count, all right, and rejection. What I'm gonna to look for? Well, DAX did it yesterday, Nasdaq not. I'm looking to retest of this previous week low, right? I don't know if we are going to get the weekly close below, but that would be huge development, and that could bring this consolidation into play. We are talking about the levels close to 7,700, 7,500, all right? But for now, focus on the current price action, okay, guys? So don't be trapped if your plan, if you are doing your own research, if you trying to visualize what action you want to take and it's not going to happen, skip that trade, right? Just watch the price action, right? Don't forget, guys, Thursday, Swiss National Bank, Thursday, European Central Bank, Thursday, UK election. Guys, don't be trapped. Have a great FOMC day and see you around. Goodbye.